Welcome back to USA Smart Shop, where we bring you honest reviews of the best products available on Amazon. Today, we are checking out the top 5 best car air fresheners designed to keep your vehicle smelling clean and fresh. From long-lasting scents to stylish vent clips and compact designs, these options help eliminate odors and improve your driving experience. Let us get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Little Trees Car Air Freshener. Hanging Tree provides long-lasting scent for auto and home. 24 air fresheners. Bayside Breeze. The Little Trees Car Air Freshener in the Bayside Breeze scent is a classic hanging-style freshener designed to provide long-lasting fragrance for vehicles and small spaces. This 24-pack offers extended value, making it suitable for drivers who want consistent scent availability throughout the year. The Bayside Breeze fragrance is known for its clean, fresh character. It combines light aquatic and airy notes that create a crisp atmosphere inside the vehicle without feeling overpowering. The scent profile works well for daily commuting, rideshare drivers, or anyone who prefers a refreshing, coastal-inspired aroma. Each tree is individually wrapped to preserve freshness until use. The hanging design makes installation simple. It can be suspended from the rearview mirror or placed in other small spaces such as closets, offices, or storage areas. The compact shape ensures it does not take up significant space. One of the main advantages of this product is its gradual scent release. By partially opening the packaging and slowly exposing the tree over time, users can better control fragrance intensity and longevity. When used properly, each unit provides a steady scent experience that can last for weeks. The slim and lightweight design ensures it does not interfere with driving visibility when positioned properly. The recognizable tree shape has become a staple in automotive accessories due to its simplicity and reliability. Number 2. Febreze Car Air Fresheners. Unstoppables Fresh and Paradise Scents. Odor Eliminator for strong odor. Car vent clips. 0.07 fluid ounces. Pack of 4. The Febreze Car Air Fresheners Unstoppables vent clips are designed to actively fight strong odors while delivering a noticeable fragrance. This pack includes 4 vent clips featuring fresh and paradise scent options, offering variety and extended use. Unlike hanging fresheners, these clips attach directly to a vehicle's air vent. As air flows through the vent system, the fragrance is distributed evenly throughout the cabin. This method allows for controlled scent dispersion and improved odor elimination performance. The Unstoppables line is known for bold, longer-lasting fragrances. The fresh scent delivers a clean, crisp aroma, while Paradise offers a lighter, tropical-inspired fragrance. Both are formulated to target stubborn smells such as food, smoke, and pet odors. Each vent clip includes an adjustable intensity dial, allowing users to control how strong the scent is released. This customization helps accommodate different preferences and vehicle sizes. When set at a moderate level, each unit can last up to several weeks. The compact design integrates neatly into most car vent styles without obstructing airflow. Installation requires simply clicking the clip into place and adjusting the dial. These vent clips are well suited for drivers who want active odor elimination combined with customizable fragrance intensity in a compact and easy-to-use format. Number 3. Drift Car Air Freshener Starter Kit. Wooden Deodorizer. Vehicle Odor Remover. Auto Scent Diffuser. Long-lasting car freshening. Amber 3-pack clip included. The Drift Car Air Freshener Starter Kit offers a premium approach to in-car fragrance with a minimalist wooden design. Unlike traditional paper or liquid fresheners, this system uses a solid wood diffuser that gradually releases scent over time, creating a more refined and subtle aroma inside the vehicle. The amber scent delivers a warm, slightly sweet fragrance with smooth undertones that feel clean and sophisticated rather than overpowering. It is designed to complement the vehicle interior rather than dominate it, making it ideal for drivers who prefer a more balanced scent profile. The included clip allows the wooden diffuser to attach securely to the car visor. This placement keeps it discreet and out of the direct airflow system, resulting in a controlled and gradual scent release. The magnetic backing makes swapping scent refills simple and convenient. Because the fragrance is infused directly into the wood, it releases slowly and evenly, reducing the sudden bursts of strong scent common in vent-style fresheners. Each refill is designed to provide consistent fragrance for several weeks. The overall presentation feels modern and stylish, making it suitable for drivers who care about interior aesthetics as well as freshness. The compact size ensures it does not obstruct visibility or take up space. This starter kit is well suited for users looking for a long-lasting, design-focused car air freshener that combines odor control with a subtle, upscale fragrance experience. Number 4. Armor All Car Air Freshener and Purifier, Car Odor Eliminator, Stocking Stuffers, 1.5 ounce, pack of 3. The Armor All Car Air Freshener and Purifier is designed to go beyond simple fragrance by actively helping reduce and neutralize unwanted odors inside your vehicle. Coming from a brand widely recognized for automotive care products, this air freshener focuses on maintaining a cleaner and more comfortable cabin environment. Each container holds 1.5 ounces of gel-based odor-eliminating formula. Instead of spraying fragrance into the air, the gel slowly releases scent over time, providing steady and controlled freshness. This gradual release helps prevent the overpowering bursts that can happen with aerosol sprays or vent-based systems. The formula works to target common vehicle odors such as smoke, food spills, gym bags, pet smells, and everyday cabin buildup. Rather than simply masking odors, it is designed to help neutralize them, creating a noticeably fresher interior atmosphere. The compact container design allows flexible placement. It fits easily in cup holders, door pockets, center consoles, or under seats. Because it does not rely on vent clips or hanging strings, it keeps your dashboard and windshield area uncluttered. The low-profile appearance blends discreetly into most interiors. With 3 containers included in the pack, this option provides extended value. You can use them across multiple vehicles or replace them over time without needing to repurchase frequently. This air freshener is well suited for drivers who want a simple, low-maintenance odor control solution that delivers consistent scent release while helping maintain a fresher vehicle interior over the long term. Number 5. California Scents Can Air Freshener and Odor Neutralizer, set of 12 spill-proof cans for home and car, assorted scents, 1.5 ounces each, packaging may vary. The California Scents Can Air Freshener set includes 12 spill-proof cans designed for both vehicles and small indoor spaces. Each 1.5 ounce can contains fragrance-infused fiber pads that release scent gradually for extended freshness. The spill-proof design makes these cans suitable for placement under seats, in cup holders, or in storage compartments without risk of leaking. This makes them practical for cars, trucks, RVs, and even home use in closets or bathrooms. Each can features an adjustable lid that controls scent intensity. By rotating the top, users can increase or decrease airflow exposure, allowing customization based on personal preference and cabin size. The assorted scent variety offers flexibility, letting users switch fragrances periodically to keep the environment feeling fresh. The scent release tends to be steady and long-lasting, with each can capable of providing fragrance for several weeks depending on ventilation and usage. Because the cans are compact and self-contained, they require minimal maintenance after placement. The fiber pad system focuses on gradual odor neutralization rather than instant bursts of fragrance. This 12-pack is ideal for drivers or households looking for bulk value, multiple scent options, and a spill-resistant design that works across different environments. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best car air fresheners here on USA Smart Shop. If any of these air fresheners caught your attention, we have included links in the description where you can check the latest price and details. Make sure to subscribe to USA Smart Shop for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.